Hello guys, Lorenzo here, and in this video I want to share you how to use a fantastic method to earn money in Clickbank. As you can see, I'm earning almost $1,000 every week using this method, and I want to show you the method in this video, and I will give you also an amazing gift for all of you that are following the video till the end of this video, of course. Okay, so to start using this method, we have to, of course, you have to register in Clickbank. It's really easy, and after you have registered in Clickbank, you can select the product you want to promote. On this example, I will show you one of the products that are giving me these kind of results. So we go in the market, I click here, and then we click here and order by gravity. Okay. And I've used this method for some products, but the product that is giving me the most of my results is Exipur. That is the product with the best gravity actually that I'm recording this video. So how it works, the system. If I go here, if you click on google.com and you write weight loss tips, you search for article, you can find, for example, one of these articles, for example this one. Okay, you click. So the method, I've seen the method used by another person, but I've been able to triplicate my result with a simple trick that I'm showing you in this video. So follow this video till the end, because I will show you how to easy triple your profit in Clickbank with this method. So you have this article about weight loss. So people read article because they are free, they can get free information. You can check, you can select every site you want. The most important thing is that it's an article and not a sales page. And then, for example, if you install this similar web Chrome extension, you can check that is the information about these sites. You can see that it's an important site with a lot of traffic, and you can use for promoting your product. So how it works, the system? The system is you go to this site rightly. If you go, this is one of my free test account that I'm using to create my tutorial. So I will show you from the beginning to the end how to use this method. So if you see, I can show you the site rightly. When you are not already subscribed, you can click here. Okay, so you will see this page. This page, you click on start a free trial or sign up, and you get your account. When you enter this software, so they will send you the email and then you enter this software, you can start using this system. So you have to create a new head. You give a name, for example, Clickbank, Exipur. Okay. You can use this domain, click add. Okay, you arrive here and you create your pop-up to promote your link, your Clickbank link. So first of all, you have to select this one. It's better this one as pop-up and not the top one. Show after, for example, you can write 15 seconds. Here, profile name, you enter your headline. For example, I can show you if I go here, you can click here and go to the affiliate page. I click. Okay. You can go in the email swipes and find some, for example, some headline that is good to use in this pop-up. For example, you can use this ugly plant. Okay. You can copy, Command C. You can go back here. Okay. Paste. Then you can change the description, get a free video, for example. Okay. You can enter an image, so profile picture. You can search for bizarre plant. I'm using this one, so I saved this image on my computer, and so I can upload now. Upload. Okay. Okay. Get a free video. I want to decide now how you can what you can write inside the button as a call to action. For example, show me how. Of course, it's referred to the ugly pant dissolves butt plus arm fat. Get a free video. Okay, and at the end we can save. We can click done here. But before clicking done, we have to insert our link in the logo link and in the button link, in the also profile URL, so connected to the picture. And here I'm showing you the method and how to triplicate easily your income, as I've done, because I've seen many people inserting here in the link their affiliate link in Clickbank. This system works, but you can get poor results. So because not so many people, when they go immediately to your affiliate link in Clickbank, will be ready to buy. So we are using the power of email marketing, the power of follow-up communication to triplicate our sales. So in this case, we don't use directly our affiliate link, but we send to a landing page. I've created this landing page. This is the landing page. So when people click here, there is an opt-in page where people should insert name and email to get the video. This is the link we are inserting in this tool. So we put here and we put in the button link. Okay, and we click done. Okay, then we have to get the URL of this article. We copy the URL, we insert here, paste here. We send to our ad, Clickbank Hexipur, create a link with ad. So is our link. We copy the link and we tested it. We click here, we paste the link. Here we go. Okay, so I'm reading my article. Okay, it's good. It's interesting. And here we go. Ugly pant dissolves butt plus arm fat. Get a free video. Show me how. If I click here or click here. Here we go. I arrived to my landing page where people that want to see the free video must enter their name and email. After they enter their name and email, they arrive to this thank you page. The thank you page say that the free video is in your email. So they start to receive my follow-up sequence. That is this follow-up sequence with 6 email. And I can show you the preview. This is the first email. Here's the free video. So here inside this button is where you insert your affiliate link of Clickbank. And you can enter in this first email and in the second that you are receiving, the person is receiving 1 day after. So this is the email I've already write for you. You change the link here and here, and here you insert your Clickbank link. And the same with the third email that the lead is receiving 2 days after. So here is the email. You can change the link inside my email. And also for the email number 4 and number 5 and number 6, you just need to change the link inside the email. So let me show you really quick. Number 5. Okay, you can change the link inside the image, and here in the email you insert your affiliate link, Clickbank affiliate link, and also for the email number 6. Okay, so with this method you have 6 email that the lead is receiving after they sign up, and so you have more possibility that the lead is buying your affiliate offer in Clickbank. So it's really important to have an automatic follow-up with the lead to increase the possibility you are getting more sales in Clickbank. And you are also building your list with leads interested in weight loss, and so you will able to promote with email marketing also the other Clickbank products connected to weight loss, or other products or of other affiliate network connected to weight loss. So my gift for you is that you can now get my complete entire funnel. So this is the landing page with the opt-in and the testimonials. You will get the thank you page. You will get the automatic follow-up email. The email are already written for you. You will only have to change my affiliate link, Clickbank affiliate link with your, but I will give you a video that show you how to do. Really simple. And you can get all this funnel for free. You just need to click on the link that you can find here under the video. This is my affiliate link in Kartra. You can test Kartra for 14 days with $1. And so you can try and test this method for you. So you need to click on the link down here. Register your $1 test of Kartra. It's really easy. And then send me an email. You can find my email down here. You can write me that you have purchased the trial of Kartra with my affiliate link. So I will check. And after my check, I will clone this complete funnel into your Kartra account, and you will able to use the same method. Before completing this video, let me show you how to drive traffic to this article where we have, this is the best one, where we have entered this ad. You just need to use, for example, Facebook group. You can search for weight loss and groups, and you have many public or secret groups. You can subscribe to one of these groups, and you can interact with people. So engage in the group. Don't spam people. So you can comment, you can like the post, but you can also create your post. For example, here you can, okay, we can see for example, black coffee. So you can write here, for example, I didn't know that black coffee could help me to lose weight. Read the article and write me your impression in the comments here below. And then you enter your link, your special link, that is this one, okay? You insert here, and after that Facebook has okay, so I forgot to say you that you have to change this link, creating a custom link. It's really easy. You create a custom link, so not the right.link, but it's easy here to create a custom link, and you will use this custom link instead of this. So you will enter here the custom link. Then after Facebook has created the preview, you will be able to cancel the link and keep the preview and publish your post. So this is one possibility that you can use for sending traffic to our article. So use this method. I've used for this method for some products in weight loss niche in Clickbank, and as have you seen, I've made almost $1,000 every week. So it's all for this video. If you want to subscribe to my channel, I've just started to record this tutorial for you. I will create more video for you, so subscribe to the channel. I will show you my strategies, and see you in the next video. Bye.